Hi guys. Today I will explain inclined plane, which is also known as ramp or slope. Let's consider an example of Alex. Alex is a worker in a store. He has to lift a groceries box whose weight is almost about 120 kilograms, and to put the box in the van. He tried harder to lift the box, but he didn't make it. However, as soon as he uses a ramp, it becomes quite easier. He put the box onto the ramp and move it through ramp into the van. So how did Alex do that? He's certainly not as strong as Superman. Alex was able to place the box in van, because he took the advantage of inclined plane. Alex first placed the ramp to the one end of the van and the other end on the surface. How the Alex was able to place the box in van. Now it's time to visualize mathematically. When a box placed on the surface of inclined plane, its weight acts vertically downward, which makes an angle with respect to positive y-axis, which resolves the weight of the box into its rectangular components, that is horizontal component wx and vertical component y. Forces on inclined plane. There are four mainly force acting on inclined plane. 1. Weight acting downward. 2. Normal surface reaction. 3. Frictional force. 4. The horizontal component of weight. Inclined plane can be defined as any surface which makes an angle with horizontal surfaces called inclined plane. It is a flat supporting surface tilted at an angle, with one end higher than the other. The inclined plane is one of the 6 classical simple machines defined by Renaissance scientists. Inclined plane occurs everywhere. You can find many examples of the inclined plane at home like stairs, slanted roofs, chisels, and sometimes undesirable guests like Alex use an inclined plane. The escalator and slides in the park are also the good examples of inclined plane. You can see the inclined plane in action when you visit your playground. When a child moves on the slide, his weight acts downward, which resolved his weight into its components, that is, horizontal and vertical components. Mathematically, you see he is just carrying his weight's horizontal components and his acceleration is a equals z. Conclusion: in short, Alex was able to place the box in van because he is just carrying the horizontal component, neglecting friction of the box by the help inclined plane. Now let me ask a question. What will be the weight's horizontal component of a boy sliding down on the surface of inclined plane whose weight is 148.9 pounds? Subscribe my channel.